Who will marry us? If they kill them all, who will marry us? Look at the young girls. If they kill them all, whom will you marry? Your mothers are being raped. Your sisters are being killed. They are being beheaded. And you are here wearing jeans and wearing second-hand clothing. You need to be involved. You need to do something about your homeland. I am so happy that the Igbos came out today. Stop sitting on the fence. It is your fault. Buhari is in your land, molesting you and your mother, your father, your uncle, everybody. He is nobody. Hausas do not pity Igbos. What they are doing is an unfair pass. If they think that they have gone, give us one and hold one, and let's see what happens. You are nobody, and you are killing us. And all our, listen to me from United States of America. All you so-called Igbo politicians, you are good for nothing. You are children of nobody. You do not have Igbo blood in you. You want to tell me that an Hausa man will come to your land, take your oil, sell it, come back, and give you back to kill your people, and you feel like a man. You must have a small boy. All of you from A to Z, and whoever votes for you is a son of nobody. You guys you are infamous. You will never defend us. Do you know the story there is that you collected money? You told Buhari. That is the story going around. You told Buhari, give me second term, and I will give you son of the land. I will give you a priest of the land. They've given you second term. Let's see who you will die in shame, because Igbos will never love you again. All you governors from A to Z, all you politicians. Oh, here's an Igbo, shame unto you. 3 years ago I asked you, what is your plan for your people? I asked it, you said nothing. You told me you are trying. I ask you again, do you have plan B? You know you said anything. Now what you did, your plan C, was to level out terrorists. Shame unto you one by one, from A to the Z. You are not worth Igbo blood. You guys are children of Hausa women. All hell Biafra. All hell Biafra.